everyone. In previous classes already we are discussing about the derived physical quantities and the prefixes. In today's class we are discussing about the very important concept, that is the scientific notation. So what is the meaning of scientific notation here? What is the use of scientific notation? In our competitive examinations, by the branch of a physical chemistry, you got a lot of problems. To solve that problems, you must know this scientific notation, and this scientific notation will help in your numericals. First, I wish to take one example. By that example, I explain the meaning of the scientific notation here. Already you know that the hydrogen reacts with the oxygen, it gives a water molecule. So to balance the water molecule, then it's our reaction. In the form of sentence, how I write it is, the 2 moles of hydrogen reacts with 1 mole of oxygen. 1 mole of oxygen. It gives a 2 mole of water here. 2 mole of water here. So what is the meaning of mole here? The mole is just a number. For example, you are very friendly with this word, that is a dozen. 1 dozen, or a dozen mean the number 12. So like this, a 1 dozen apple. 1 dozen apple means a 12 number of an apples. 1 dozen banana is equals to 12 number of a banana. So like that, mole is also a type of a number. So how many numbers or what numbers are mean to this mole? See here, 6.022 and then 20 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this much big number is mean the mole. Just imagine how big number it is. So this much of how crores it is. So can you imagine that? So this much of a big number is mean the mole. And I will take another example. If I write a size of a hydrogen atom here, size of hydrogen atom, that is about the 0.11 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 3, 8, 5 meter. Just imagine how small it is. Such a small numbers or such a big numbers. Our chemistry deals with such a big numbers and such a small numbers. So crores together of atoms are react in this reaction, or a crore together of, or a billion gathers of molecules or atoms are reacts in our reactions. So how you write such much of a big number and how you write such small number? So this is a very uncomfort in our way. That's why we use, by the scientific notation, we reduce or write, or we write in a simpler form of this big numbers and the simpler form of this small number. So how I write? In the form of a scientific notation. Now I wish you got the meaning of scientific notation. The scientific notation is the shortcut way to represent a big numbers or a small numbers, or a small number in the easiest way, in the easiest way. That is about, like, that is in the form of n into 10 raised to n form. N into 10 raised to n form. So in this form we write this big numbers and this small numbers. This is called as a scientific notation. So what is the small n here? The small n is the exponent. The small n is the exponent. This exponent have both values, like positive values and negative values. So what is the meaning of this capital N? So this is capital N is the number that is in between the 1 to 9.99. So this is about this is the number between the 1 to 9.999. So this is the meaning of scientific notation. So I hope you got the meaning of scientific notation. What is the meaning of scientific notation here? The scientific notation is the shortcut way to represent the big numbers or small numbers in the simpler form, or in the form of n into 10 raised to n form. N is, small n is the exponent. That exponent have both values, like a negative value and a positive value, and capital N is the number between 1 to 9.999. So the mole number I write in a simpler form, that is the 6. Just I got, this is our decimal point. Just I shift this decimal point in a left side. So that is in towards the 6.022 into. So how many numbers are here, or how many digits I shifted here? So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So the 23 digits I shifted this decimal point after the 23 digits. That's why I write as a 23. So 1 mole is equals to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. That's why this is a very big number and very inconvenient to write. That's why we use this. This is the simpler form. So this is the meaning of scientific notation. Next, write the small number. I shift the decimal point in right side. Very next to the 0 is the 3. That's why I write 3.85 into. Then how many zeros or how many digits, after how many digits I shift this decimal point? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3.85 10 raised to minus 12 meter. So this is the size of hydrogen. So I write this much of a small number in the form of the scientific notation. So this is the very simpler form instead of this. So this is the meaning of scientific notation. Just you remember, when you convert the numbers in a scientific notation way, if you convert or if you replace the digits in your left side, then the exponent will be positive. For example, I wish to take another example here. 8 0 0 0 0 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 zeros are there. You shift the decimal point in your left side towards the 8. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You shifted this point towards your left side. When you take a left side, then 8 point, how many digits or how many number of zeros here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 numbers, 8.0 into 10 raised to 10. So this is a positive exponent value because we shift this decimal point in the left side. Next, I wish to take another example. 0.000076. So how you write here? I shifted this decimal point towards right side of this number. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I shifted the 6 digit, 7.6 into 10 raised to minus 6. The decimal point is shift towards the right side. So when you shift your right side, then the exponent value will be negative. When you shift the decimal point in your left side, then the exponent value is in the form of a positive way. I hope you clear this concept. And next, in a scientific notation, we have a mathematical operations are there. In a multiplication, how you multiply the scientific notation number, and how you divide the numbers with a scientific notation, and how you add the number with a scientific notation, and how you subtract the number of numbers with the scientific notation. The first operation is the multiplication here. In the form of a multiplication, n1 into 10 raised to n1. For example, I write here 5.6. So this is our capital N, because this number is in between 1 to 9.999. And next, into 10 raised to n1. Just I take as a 5 here. So in the form of small n, we are having a 5. The exponent value is 5 here. So this is our one number. And into next n2. So n2 is 6.9 into 10 raised to, just I take 6 here. In the capital N, we are having a 6.9, and in the form of a exponent value, we are having a 6 here. Just you clear that. And next, you already know about the formula, that is A1 into 10 raised to n1 and A2 into 10 raised to n2. Then you have A1 into A2 and 10 raised to n1 plus n2. You know that this formula. So like that, n1 into n2 10 raised to n1 plus n2. I multiplied 5.6 and 6.9. 5.6 into 6.9. Then 10 raised to 5 plus n2 means 6. Then what I got the answer here? 38.6 into 10 raised to, what is the mean? What will be the answer? 5 plus 6 is equals to 11. 10 raised to 11. Then the answer is 38.6 into 10 raised to 11. So this is about the multiplication. When you have the multiplication, then the formula, use this formula, n1 into n2 into 10 raised to n1 plus n2. And then what is the operation in division? In division, here also n1 divided by n2. n1 divided by n2. n1 into 10 raised to n1 and n2. Then n1 divided by n2 into 10 or a, 10 raised to n1 minus n2. By using this formula, you solve the example. I wish to take one example here. 2.7 into 10 raised to 4 divided by minus 4 and 5.5 into 10 raised to minus 1. Then what will be the answer here? Just write it in the form of this one, n1 by n2, that is 2.7 divided by 5.5 into 10 raised to n1 minus n2. So what is the n1 here? Minus 1, and n2, that is minus 1. So minus 1. So what will be the answer here? 0.49 into 10 raised to minus into minus is plus. That's why 4 plus 1 is 5. Minus 5. 10 raised to minus 5 will be the answer in the division operation. How you divide the numbers with a scientific notation? Just use this formula, n1 divided by n2 into 10 raised to n1 minus n2. And then in the operation of addition and subtraction, addition and subtraction. In addition, n1 into 10 raised to n1 plus n2 into 10 raised to n. Then what is the answer? n1 plus n2 into 10 raised to n. I wish to take one example here. 3.1 into 10 raised to 1 here plus 0.31 into 10 raised to 2. Then what will be the answer here? 3.1 into 10 raised to 1 plus, I convert this in the form of this same number of exponent. In the addition, we have a one condition. What is that condition? Is the exponents are same in a number when the operation of addition takes place, when the operation of subtraction takes place. Then you convert this is in the form of 10 raised to 2, or you convert this is in the form of 10 raised to 1. Whatever it may be, just you make the exponent numbers are same here. 3.1 into 10 raised to 1 already is there. I shifted this decimal point next to the 3.1 into 10 raised to again 1 here. So by the conversion, I make the exponents are same in a number. Then I got the answer 6.2 into 10 raised to 1. So this is our addition operation. So in the addition operation or in the subtraction operation, just you have to remember the two exponents numbers are same. 2 into 10 raised to 2 minus 1 into 10 raised to 2. Then 2 minus 1 into 10 raised to 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 into 10 raised to 2. So like this, in the addition or in the subtraction, you got remember the exponent numbers are same. If they are not same, you convert or you just replace the digits and make it the same, and then you have to add or subtract these main numbers. So this is about your subtraction operation. So this is all about the scientific notation. I wish to or I hope you got a clearance about the meaning of scientific notation and how to clear the or how to write the numbers are in the form of scientific notation. I will give you 4 numbers here. Just you convert in the form of scientific notation. 0 0 0 0 0 0 6 4 and next 5 0 0, next is 8 0 0 8 and then 7 0 0 0 0 0 0. Next 0 0 0 0 0 0 7 2. Just try to convert these are in the form of scientific notation.